routine massage I learned in school. So of course you make sure your hands are washed. Just start off over here. These 2 points, this line that goes through here. This is the bladder channel in Chinese medicine. You don't really need to know all the points, but you can just start off by just your thumbs on both sides at the end of the eyebrows, and there should be 2 tender spots right here. So you can do that 15 times, and you alternate here 15 times. And once you're done, just slowly just alternate with your thumbs, massaging back. So this point here is called yin tang in Chinese medicine. That's your third eye when you're meditating, and that's when. But for all our purposes here, we're just taking the 2 thumbs and brushing across. And again, we're back to here, 15 times each side. And once you're done here, you can go here and just take your thumbs and just brush off to the sides. So you have many channels that run across your face and also the scalp. So you've got bladder, you've got stomach, you've also got the dew channel, triple energizers, small intestine as well. So if you don't know the meridians and channels, that's not a problem. You just take your hands and just gently brushing through both sides. So oftentimes these points here, they're really great for headaches. So again, take your thumbs and you're just brushing back, and these are where your temples run. So you can just go from the side, back up. And you'll find a lot of tender spots. So you can switch to your index once your thumbs get tired, and you can just start kneading in a circular motion around here, and you're going to find some very, very tender spots. So as you go further back, there's the temporalis muscles on the sides. And once you get tired, you just go back to, we'll just call this home base. So we're just going to back here. So this is very relaxing. So I'm going to ask my partner if that pressure is okay. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
And then again, we're pressing up to the sides, and then back to the end of the eyebrows. And again, just pressing to the sides. You can do this for anywhere from up to 2 minutes. And then we'll work further down the face. Sometimes the eyes get very tired, so you take very gently. The eyes are very sensitive, so you just kind of go on there and make sure the pressure is okay. Is that pressure okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And then back to here. And then as we move along, we move further down the face. So we go here, and we just start to just kind of trace the contours of the face down to the nose, and you go all the way down here. Right off the wing of the nose are 2 really great points for sinus congestion. So you're pressing, just making sure there's a little bit of pressure. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 15 circles each side, and then as you come down, this is the philtrum, and you have muscles that run across here on the face. Take your thumbs and just knead through. Go here on the sides, yeah. Pinch through up, and you're just back to home base where we first started. And you can do this up to 3 times as well in cycles. So that was the first cycle. We'll go again. Push down, 15 times each side. And again, we're just pressing through here. And making sure here, yep. And back here again. So every time you get lost or you don't know what you're doing, just go back to here. And pressing down. Yep, 5 to 15 times, whichever one feels better for you. And just back to kneading, just brushing to the sides. You can even start working the ears, so you can just start taking your thumbs and your middle finger if you walk down here. This actually in Chinese medicine, there's actually lots of points on the ears. So if I just turn your neck here, there's actually points on all around the ears. So imagine an upside down baby. This is the head, this reflects the spine. So an upside down baby in the fetal position, I'm sorry. So there's the head, there's the spine, these are the legs. So you can even start massaging these points through here. And gently just rubbing through there. You can even trace there's a line that works behind, there's a channel, that wraps behind here, and it goes around, so you can even start tracing it. So take your 2 thumbs, let's go, and you're going to find many, many tender spots. So right behind here is the gallbladder channel in Chinese medicine, but also where your occiput muscles lie. So when your neck muscle is very tight, tend to have headaches, so that's why the gallbladder channel is very great for headaches as well. So this point right here, it's right behind the ear, right where your neck muscle and your trap muscle, the apex of it, where it meets and it can't go anymore. You're just pressing that, and again you're just pressing through there. Same thing on the other side, gently kneading with your thumbs and your index, tracing that line behind here, behind your ear, and you'll find many, many tender spots through here. And sometimes you'll run into like a gristly spot. You can just stay there a little bit and ask if that's sore. Is that tender there?
Mm-hmm.
And that's going to feel really, really like your head feels very, very light afterward. So you're back here, you come up top, and just kneading these muscles here. And one last time, back here. In this whole routine, you can do that up to about 5 to 10 minutes. And once you're done,